The next winner is Sven Krumpel. He is the owner and CEO of CODICO. Please come to the stage, Sven. I know Sven personally since many years, and so the nomination for him, I totally agree. I know what he's doing for his employees in the company, what he's investing in the facility, and many other projects he is following up. And Sven, that's why I want to ask you, can you give us some example what you are doing beside making business with electronic components?
First of all, thank you for nominating me. I haven't known anything about the ethics forum until last week. So I didn't even know that I was an ethical person. So if my wife would see that, she would say, Sven, forget it. You're never going to get anything on that. But in fact, we are a family company, and our business basically is to design and to move forward projects in the various segments in the electronics industry. And when we are talking about sustainability and ethics, I think I could talk a long time about how important it is to develop projects in energy efficiency and in solar energy, etc., etc. One thing is the macroeconomic view of things, but I profoundly believe that sustainability and ethics is a value-driven thing, and we need to look at it from a micro thing, from a micro view, meaning that it's a people thing. It's something where you as a person, as a human being, are an example for others, where you as a human being live an example for others, where you as a company owner like I am have not only employees, but you have people around yourself that have the same values like you and that they share the same passion like you do. And in our case, the family aspect comes along with it. We are viewing our people not as employees. We are viewing them as being part of a family. And I know many people say that, and it's difficult to get that across and to get that to believe it unless you see it. So first of all, I invite you to come at any time to the CODICO booth, C3, and to see our family acting there. But what are we doing? One example is we just opened a 12,000 square meter park next to our office building for our people to not only spend the day working outside, which I think is a really big asset. I pick up my phone normally, and then instead of sitting next to my desk, I go outside and have meetings outside and chat on the phone. But it's also a place of leisure time for our people. So they do sports. They invite their families to come along in the evening on the weekends. The families of our people do birthday parties in our park. We have a swimming pond. We have sporting facilities all over the place. We grow vegetables, so biological vegetables. Our people have 4 square meters free to grow their own vegetables and herbs and plants. We have bees. We have a bunch of activities there to just get the people together and to get grounded. I think our generation, and I include myself, we have been living an extremely blessed life, and I think we have been living a life that was using resources too much. We used other people's and other people's resources, and we need to give it back to some extent. And we need to get our feet grounded again and learn where things come from. Learn where things grow, how that a banana doesn't need to be in a perfect shape in order to be a good banana, just to give you a banana example. And I never thought about that, but okay. So this is what we are doing, and it's nothing special, but it's trying to be an example for other people. So.
For me, Sven, it's special, and always when I come to CODICO, I have the feeling I'm visiting a family, not a company. And I saw the park, I saw the herbs and the vegetables. This is really great. So Sven, it's an honor for me to hand over the WEEF award for you.
Thank you very much.